here's how to send a location to someone on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram app and tap on the search icon. Now from here, search for the location you just want to send. After searching, switch to the Places tab and you will see a list of related locations. So select the exact places you are looking for. So once the location page opens, just tap the send icon. Now search for the person you just want to send the location to, and you can select one person or even multiple people at the same time. Now tap send. Now after that, go to the direct messages and open the chat where you send the location. So when the other person receives it, they can tap on the location. So from their side, they can use the three-dot menu to open it in their Maps app, and where they can get directions and navigate to that place easily. And that's how you can send a location to someone on Instagram. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.